Peace be with you. My name is Muhammad Hamad. I'm an electrical engineer and I am on a quest to study lots of startups and share with you guys so that we know about what problem that product solves or the SaaS solves. Secondly, about the background of the founders, that where they were born, what opportunities they had, and how they were able to do it. And the third thing is the timeline from the launch of the product to current state, like $10,000 or $100,000 per month. And the last thing is what we can learn from all of this experience. Let me share with you what the product does. So the product I selected is called Shipper. Shipper is an AI-powered and no-code app builder that allows users to get full-stack, revenue-ready application by describing ideas in plain English in chat interface. It uses Agentic AI to reason through product requirements, generate and self-fix code, manage databases, UI UX authentication, payments including Stripe, hosting, and deployment, all without manual coding. So there's lots of things going on here. And the next thing is that the platform supports building MVPs, internal tools, SaaS products, marketplaces, e-commerce apps, including Shopify integration, customer portals, and hybrid applications. Key features include automatic bug detection, resolution, full project context awareness, multi-language app translation over 25 plus languages, and their app cloning, device per use, and credit-based resource optimization. There's lots of things you can do. You can build SaaS products or e-commerce apps. Build it. Now, there's one more thing. A distinct feature is the advisor and AI co-pilot that provides guidance on product architecture, design, marketing, growth strategies, and feature operating separately from the app building process. Recent updates include team collaboration, auto translation, and integration such as remotion. Shipper also offers a free demo that really stimulates the peer experience. And this app, like three pricing tier, first of all is $25 per month for 100 credits, second is $39 per month for 250 credits, and there's the enterprise version which has like custom pricing. So you see about the product that it's a no code building app. You can build lots of different things like SaaS products or e-commerce apps or marketplaces, and it also has a co-pilot and two different pricing tiers. Now, before going to the next part, I invite you to check some of the link in the description. If you're building any project or you have any service, I can help you creating YouTube videos, and make sure to check those links in the description. Come on social media and let's have a chat. Now, the next part is the founder's background. Let's see their worldview. Shipper was co-founded by brothers David CH and Daniel CH, who have worked together on SaaS products since 2019. The company is fully bootstrapped, built with personal savings, a team fewer than 10 people, and no venture capital firming. If you can see, I discussed the last two has that the co-founder or the founders have like a partner who is their second brain with whom they get discuss their ideas. They discuss the problem they're facing, they get the feedback, solve that problems, and make the process. And here's my advice that you should also go get someone who is an expert of the field to share their feedback and improve your business or anything you're working on. David Seals serves as a co-founder and chief editor, focusing on product communication, UX clarity, and education. He has over 6 years of experience in digital product education and has written more than 1 million words in guides and documentation. He holds a Bachelor of Science in Marketing and Management from Queen Mary University of London. Daniel CH contributes across product development and SaaS growth. The founders follow a lean user-driven approach, building in public and sharing progress on X, Reddit, Discord, and LinkedIn. Shipper has grown faster than several venture-funded competitors in the no-code and AI builder space. So there's a lot of things about the founders here that they are two brothers. And obviously, if you are two men working on a thing that you become really productive and solve problems, and you can solve problems like faster. And the second thing is that they use organic way to promote the product, and also before that they had lots of experience on SaaS, and they have written lots of about it. And they also belong to a first world country which gives lots of opportunities to them about the latest technology which they can use. So yeah, I hope you learned from this a lot. Now let's move on to the next thing. That is our favorite, that is timeline and revenue growth. So Shipper launched in July 2025. Early traction was driven entirely by organic growth with no paid ads, influencers, or backlinks. So in September 2025, after 60 days, they had revenue like 1,150, that 1,150 monthly recurring revenue. So in January 2026, the shipper had over 9,800 users, 120 plus paying customers, 21,000 in lifetime sales, and more than 1.4 million direct reviews driven by transparent built-in public updates and SEO focused content. So in September, it was making $1,150 per month, and in January 2026, it was able to make $7,300 per month and making more. Now, let's see what we learn from all of this. Shipper demonstrates how Bootstrap SaaS can scale rapidly through user feedback, rapid iteration, and authentic community engagements. Its growth strategy relies on SEO, transparent public update, product hunt launches, and direct user interaction rather than paid marketing. By focusing on real user problems and shipping fast, Shipper achieved over $7,000 of monthly recurring revenue in 6 months, outperforming several heavily funded competitors. So the main thing we discussed here is that if you don't have money for paid, you can go with the organic group. You can share your product on Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, and make YouTube videos like these. So I hope you learned a lot of stuff from this video, and I wish you very good luck on the thing on which you are working on. And if you want to work with me in creating YouTube videos or Instagram videos, just check the link in the description. This is my social media profiles. Message me to have a discussion, and I'll see you in the next video.